Guess what, Ava and Ella? Uncle Matt is moving back to St. Louis. Is that cool?
Mm-hmm.
What are we gonna do? Are we gonna play?
Mm-hmm. Play every day.
Yes. Sounds good to me.
Play every day when I'm done with school and Bible study too.
That's pretty exciting. And before your birthday too. He's gonna be here for your birthday party.
Hers is louder than mine.